Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this new video, I am going to show how to install WordPress for localhost. For this, here I am showing the process with Xampp installer. Xampp is a software that supports most of the operating systems like iOS, Windows and Ubuntu. So first of all, you have to download the software from its official website. So go to this website and download the Xampp software. After downloading the Xampp software, open the file to begin the installation. So here by default you will see multiple options. You don't have to keep everything checked. Uncheck the options that I am showing here and go to the next step. In the next step you can choose the language settings. Here I am choosing English as my preferable language. Okay, go to the next step and it might take a few minutes to complete the installation process. Okay, you are done with the installation. Now go to the next step. Here you have to open the control panel so that you can choose other settings and finish the process, and now the control panel option will begin. Here you have to turn on the Apache and MySQL modules. So turn on both of them and you will see both of them turn green. Successful installation of Xampp will redirect you to this tab. It means the installation process have been completed. Now go to your device and go to the Xampp folder where you can create new folders and control your settings. Okay, so go to Xampp and now select htdocs. Under this you have to create a new folder. Remember that this folder name will be same as your website's name. So here I am giving the name as my website. Okay, done. Now go to the official website of WordPress and download the WordPress file so that you can install it for localhost. So click here, get WordPress, and the file will be downloaded. Remember that you need to download the latest version. Once you download the file, go to your local drive, copy the file and go to the folder that you have created under htdocs. Paste the file here and extract it here. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so you are done. Now you have to create the server for localhost. For this you have to go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Under this tab you have to create a new database. So click on database and give the database name. Remember that the database name will be same as the folder you have created under the htdocs. Okay, so type the name and here choose the first option. Okay, now create the server and it will be done. Now you will see that WordPress is here. Open the file, choose the language and continue and begin the installation process. In the database name you have to give the name that you have given for the database. So here I am giving my website. The username will be root and the password will be empty, and keep everything unchanged. Okay, now hit the submit button and run the installation process. You will see the installation process is ongoing. Now you can give the site title, create username and create a new password, just like a real website you have. Now you can complete the process like any other WordPress website, whether it is a localhost or a real host. Okay, once you have created a new account, you can log into your website and control everything.